Your home's entryway is more than just a functional passage. It's the first impression guests have of your home and a key feature that sets the tone for your property's overall design. In Loves Park, where homeowners take pride in both charm and curb appeal, updating your front door is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to transform your home's look, feel, and efficiency. Whether your goal is to modernize your exterior, boost your property value, or make your home more inviting, a new door can completely redefine your home's design. Here's how door replacement can breathe new life into your entryway and elevate your entire Loves Park home. Making a memorable first impression, your front door acts as a focal point for your home's exterior. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can detract from your home's appearance, no matter how well kept the rest of your property is. Installing a new, stylish door instantly enhances curb appeal and makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Modern door designs come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes, from bold steel and fiberglass doors to elegant wood grain textures. Whether your Loves Park home features a classic craftsman, colonial charm, or modern architectural flair, the right door complements its design perfectly. Adding decorative glass inserts, side lights, or transoms can also bring in natural light, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere both inside and out. Blending beauty and functionality, today's entry doors aren't just about looks, they're designed for superior performance. New doors feature advanced insulation, multi-layer construction, and weather-resistant materials that protect your home while keeping it comfortable year-round. For Loves Park homeowners, where winters can be chilly and summers humid, energy-efficient doors make a noticeable difference. Many modern models include insulated cores that minimize heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, weather stripping and tight seals that prevent drafts and air leaks, low-maintenance finishes that resist warping, cracking, and fading. This perfect combination of function and beauty ensures your entryway not only looks great but also contributes to lower utility costs and better comfort. Enhancing home security and peace of mind, a new door does more than upgrade your home's appearance, it strengthens its security. Older doors may have weak frames, worn locks, or outdated materials that make them easier to breach. Modern entry doors come equipped with reinforced steel or fiberglass cores, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, offering you greater protection against both intruders and harsh weather conditions. For families in Loves Park, this added level of safety means peace of mind without sacrificing style. You can enjoy the beauty of a decorative door while knowing it's built to keep your home secure. Creating a cohesive interior and exterior design, a new door doesn't just enhance your exterior, it also influences your home's interior aesthetics. The entryway is the bridge between your outdoor and indoor living spaces, and the right door design can help tie both together. For example, a door with frosted or decorative glass can filter soft light into your foyer, adding depth and warmth to your interiors. A door with wood tones can complement your flooring or trim, creating a cohesive visual flow throughout your home. Homeowners in Loves Park often choose custom finishes, paneling, or decorative hardware to reflect their personality and style. This level of customization allows your entryway to become a true statement piece that sets your home apart. Increasing property value and appeal, investing in a new entry door is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. Real estate experts consistently rank door replacement among the top upgrades for return on investment because it combines functionality, efficiency, and design impact. A stylish and secure entryway increases your home's perceived value, helping it stand out to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, this improvement enhances everyday satisfaction and long-term curb appeal. Professional installation for lasting results. To maximize the benefits of your new door, professional installation is essential. Local Loves Park experts ensure your door fits perfectly, seals properly, and aligns with your home's architecture. They can also help you choose materials suited to the local climate, whether that's moisture-resistant fiberglass or heavy-duty steel for extra durability. Proper installation ensures your new door operates smoothly, performs efficiently, and remains beautiful for years to come. Final thoughts: transforming your entryway with a new door is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to redefine your Loves Park home design. From boosting curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to enhancing security and interior harmony, the right door can make a dramatic difference. With countless designs and materials to choose from, there's a perfect option for every home and style. Partner with local professionals to find a door that complements your space, and step into a home that's more beautiful, secure, and welcoming than ever before.